How to create Ubisoft account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Ubisoft account. Ubisoft is a prominent French video game publisher and a developer recognized for its diverse portfolio of popular games. Here's how you can create an account on Ubisoft. First of all, you need to ensure that you have already downloaded Ubisoft Connect application on your mobile device. Also, you may use Ubisoft.com, the official website of Ubisoft, in order to proceed further. Here I have already downloaded Ubisoft Connect application. Once you have downloaded it, tap on the app to launch it. Once you open the Ubisoft Connect application, here in this page at the bottom, you will be able to see Login or Join Us button. Now tap on this button. Once you tap on this button, you will be taken to a new interface. Here, to create an account, you will need to tap on this Create an Account button. Once you tap on it, now you will reach to this page. Here, you will need to fill out this registration form. Here, in this first box, you need to enter your valid email address. After entering the email address, now you will need to create a strong password for your account. At the bottom of this password box, you will see the Password Rules option. Once you tap on it, here you will be able to see the criteria that you will need to meet while creating your password. Tap on the password box and here create a password. Once your password meets all the criteria, you will be able to see this green tick marks at the right side of these rules. Once after doing that, here in the next box at the bottom, you will see Enter Your Age. Tap on this box and here you need to enter your age. Once doing that, now you will need to tap on this check boxes. And after that, you will need to tap on Create an Account button at the bottom. After that, now you will be taken to this page. Here now a verification code will be sent to your email address. You will need to wait for the code, and once you get the code, here you will need to enter it in this box. Tap on the box and enter the code that you have got. After that, you will need to tap on this Create an Account button. And after that, you will reach to a new page. Here at the bottom, a pop-up will appear. Here you will need to tap on Allow to grant access to send you the notifications. After that, you will see you have successfully created Ubisoft account. After creating it, now you can access exclusive content and features across the games. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.